Ice bears an idea I conceived when I was working on the sea ice early May last year, up above Bylot Island, working in that incredible environment of flat ice going out towards Greenland there, the Bylot Island rocks behind me, just this incredibly icy cold environment. But working with the English guides, the more I spoke to them, the more they told me that the ice was less secure than it was in the past, that they couldn't trust it as much as they used to be able to. And so, as a sculptor, it's easy enough to sculpt beauty, polar bears, birds, scenes, but to sculpt that issue, that problem, was going to be a real challenge. But as I was working on ice, as a bronze sculptor, I wanted to combine the two completely sort of opposite mediums. But ice is a beautiful subject to work with, very temporary. Bronze is a solid, old, incredible historical medium.
So IKITA decided to do this project because we thought it was an amazing opportunity to use art to send a message about climate change, the importance of climate change to the G20 and G8 leaders. Getting this amazing artist to come from Britain to do this sculpture here in Toronto, and also getting our Inuit friends to participate in the creation of this artwork, I think is just an amazing way to mobilize citizens and to also mobilize our leaders to the importance of acting on climate change.
When the bronze begins to appear through the ice, that's going to be immediately akin to the summer sea ice going and the big black Arctic Ocean just absorbing the heat of the ocean and melting that ice from underneath. When the bronze begins to appear in this bear, that's going to attract the heat of this day and take it right through the skeleton of the bear and start to melt it from within.
Leaders are here in the city this weekend to discuss the most pressing world issues. Climate change is certainly one of those. Both the G8 and G20 have made commitments in the past that are deeply related to climate change, which include a commitment to actually keep our planet below a temperature rise of 2 degrees, which, by the way, isn't even enough of a commitment. But this weekend we're looking for steps moving forward, so in terms of putting money on the table for climate change, knowing where that money is coming from, and moving forward on a commitment to phase out subsidies to oil, coal, and gas, which are energy sources that, of course, are making the problem of climate change worse.